Alright, this is going to be a hotel tour of the brand new Home2 Suites by Hilton and True by Hilton in Concord, North Carolina. This is right off of Interstate 85, also right near both Charlotte Motor Speedway and also Concord Mills Mall. And this is also just outside, just on the north side of Charlotte and the south side of Concord. As you can see, there's the entrance there. They have a nice little patio area out here to sit on. Of course, this was done during the winter time around during the Christmas season. So that patio will probably be a lot nicer on the warmer days in the summertime. And now we're inside the lobby. You can see the sweet shop there where you can come down and get all your snacks and treats and stuff. And they do have ample seating here in the lobby. There's TV over there. One nice thing about this property is they actually do have attributes of both brands, so that you can you actually can kind of tell that it's a hybrid. So over here they have a pancake machine, and then over here they have a waffle machine like you would see at a Home2 Suites. There's a nice Christmas tree over there. This is a very nice, spacious, and open lobby. Yep, here's the coffee station over here. They do have, and they also do combine a lot of the stuff like the breakfast. You get some of the Home2 breakfast and some of the True breakfast. That'd be the breakfast area there. Nice lighting. Yep, there's another drink station there. Then down there you have some meeting rooms, some conference space. Nice artwork on the wall. Yep, really interesting artwork there. Like I said, this is down the conference room hallway, and here's what one of the conference rooms itself actually looks like. As you can tell, this property just opened last week. You can tell this meeting space is set up for a meeting. They kind of got the wet bar there too. That kind of reminds me of the wet bar set up at Northlake, in Northlake's meeting room. And then, now we're back in the hallway, and this is walking back towards the lobby. Now we're back in the lobby with another view of the Christmas tree. You can tell this was, I said this was done the 1st of December. But yeah, I really like this nice open lobby. Those are the front doors where you come in. And then over here you have some seating area with the little nooks, kind of like you would expect to see at a True. So that's what I'm saying. This property has both the Home2 characteristics and also True characteristics. Alright, so again, there's one more view of the sweet shop, and then as you come down this way, you can see nice pictures on the wall, and of course there are the elevators. Those are Otis elevators, and of course we have to ride those while we're here. But first is the vision for both Home2 and True. And then this is your game area like you would see at a True, and it tells you what city you're in. That's pretty typical of Trues. That's what I was saying. See, they got all the attributes of True and also Home2. There's the elevators again. Those are Otis. And then, and it says my favorite food is delivery. And then down this way is the pool and the fitness center area. So this area, of course, you have to have your room key, but there's the fitness center. Nice fitness center area, and of course Home2 has the spin to cycle. And out here is this is going out towards the pool. Again, that's something to be used more when it comes summertime again. These are the elevators at the brand new Home2 Suites by Hilton and True by Hilton in Concord, North Carolina, near the Charlotte Motor Speedway and Concord Mills Mall. These are Otis, just like the new Home2 I just recently did in Hickory. Head down to 1. Pretty nice elevator. Like I said, these are Otis. There's the back door for housekeeping. There goes that one. Okay, this one's on 2 now. Oh, hey, that was good timing. Here's this one. Yeah, so that was good timing. This one was on its way down. So we'll take this one up to 5. This one has the chime. The other one didn't have a chime. If it did, it was very low. Here we are on 5 again. Now I'll head down to 1. Yeah, just like the other elevator, except this one doesn't have the rear door for housekeeping. And we got a non-stop on this one, so now we'll take this one up to 2. And here we are at 2. There's the Home2 True, Home2 2. Like I said, this is a hybrid, True and a Home2. So yeah, and see it's divided up here. See, if you look down this hallway, you can tell that that side is a True hallway. And down here you can see the Home2 hallway. So technically we're on the Home2 hallway, so let's go down here and get a better look at the True hallway. Yep, see, we just stepped onto the True side. Pretty nice. And there's the storage rooms open. And if you look out here, you can see that's Bruton Smith Boulevard, and that's, I think that's part of the Hendrick Auto Plaza over there. And I think that way is down towards the Speedway, and the interstate and the mall is over that way. So yeah, like I said, you can't see the interstate from here, but this is right off of 85, and like I said, there's a big Speedway down that way, and 85, and the mall is over on the other side of the interstate that way. And let's take a look at the man-powered elevator. Yeah, it's a nice man-powered elevator. It's nice and carpeted. I'll tell you what we're gonna do. Let's go over to, this is the true. Why don't we walk over to the other side and see if the man-powered elevator on the Home2 side is the same as the true, if they've got different looking man-powered elevator. So we're on the true side right now. So there's another window down there for the true side. And then as we make this turn, now we're back on the Home2 side. There's the elevators in the middle. Now we'll walk down the Home2 hallway. Here's the ice machine. And this view just has the parking lot. And like I said, you can see both of them on the sign down there, True and Home2. The first hallway we went down was the True hallway, and this is the Home2 hallway. And it looks like the man-powered elevators are the same on both hallways, both sides. Nice and carpeted. So yeah, this is a very nice, brand new hybrid hotel in the North Charlotte, South Concord area. Thank you to Christina Springs, the sales director at this fine property, for showing us around and giving us some room tours.
All right, come on in.
Yeah, TJ, you want to turn lights on?
So this is the True, of course. So,
Okay.
by all means.
Yep. All right. I'll start in the bathroom.
Absolutely. Let me know if I'm in the way. Okay?
No, you're fine.
How do you think about it? Do you like it?
Yeah, I do.
So remember I told you True is like, this is the, well, of course you know because you know all of our brands, but the Home2 side will be a little bit more spacious.
Show me again. Oh, yeah, right there.
Yeah, this
Okay,
way.
yeah. And then the open closet.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
And the bed.
Yeah.
And the desk. And
still
TV.
has that new smell.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Oh,
Yep, and that one works too.
okay.
Okay.
And come on in.
So TJ, let's turn on some lights so we can see good.
Oh yeah, you can tell this is a bigger room, but that's because it is Home2 Suites.
Yep. Okay, there we go. Alrighty. Yep. And there's Hendrix outside.
Yeah.
Yep. Alright. And the refrigerator's probably over here.
Yes.
Because this is Home2 Suites. They have a full kitchen. Refrigerator.
Let me know if you can get it back out.
Oh, you're fine. You're fine. All right, I'm gonna go in the bathroom now. So,
What do you think, TJ?
Yeah, it's nice. Both of them are nice.
So you guys said you get the best of both worlds when it comes time to breakfast because you have the selection of the true breakfast or the Home2 breakfast because we combine them together.